may have things in your past that you want to leave in the past and not let that define you. So you choose to move forward. But you may find barriers. You're not alone, though. In Ohio, about 1 in 6 people have a misdemeanor or felony record, and once released, they all experience the same challenges. It can be difficult finding housing, reconnecting with family and the community, regaining some rights and privileges, and one of the most difficult hurdles, finding a job. We know every situation is different, but one thing's the same. Finding a job is essential. It's one of the best predictors of your success after being released. OhioMeansJobs is here to help. We've put together 7 helpful tips to make getting back to work faster and easier. So, let's get to work. Tip number 1, rely on OhioMeansJobs. You can connect with us by visiting an OhioMeansJobs center near you or online at OhioMeansJobs.com. We're ready to help. You'll get one-on-one help finding specialized resources and tools to help you get a job. We've also partnered with local schools, networks, churches, and businesses, all there ready to help you. Tip number 2, make a game plan. Connect with your local OhioMeansJobs Center once you return home. They'll help you create or continue your plan for re-entering the workforce and your community. They can help you evaluate and expand your skills, including skills learned in work training programs or work assignments, and help you tell employers about those skills so you can move forward with confidence. Tip 3, explore your options and opportunities and set specific goals. Work with OhioMeansJobs to explore career options. We can help you identify which jobs you might really enjoy doing and also identify which jobs, if any, might be off limits. Set career and job search goals, both for the short and long term. And explore education and training opportunities, including financial aid opportunities. Tip 4, take advantage of hands-on help. OhioMeansJobs has the tools and know-how to help you land the job. With computer and internet access, if you're legally allowed to use a computer, access to other useful technology like phones and printers, job match and job search services, resume help, and job interview preparation. OhioMeansJobs can also help connect you with employers that believe in giving individuals second chances. Tip number 5, don't miss out. Help is available to you after you've landed a job. An OhioMeansJobs team member can connect you with local organizations that can help with such things as transportation, housing, and food. These are all things that you'll need to succeed, and they can help you be a better employee. Tip 6, if you're still incarcerated, use our pre-release career services. To prepare you to start working immediately upon release, you'll have access to job search links and reentry information on the computers and tablets available in all correctional facilities. You'll also have access to Ohio Reentry Connections, a secure version of OhioMeansJobs.com, where you can create a user account and enter your resume, which you can make visible to employers 90 days prior to your release. You can also search for job postings and save the most promising ones in your account. All of this remains available after your release, when your account becomes fully functional. We also set up OhioMeansJobs centers in about half of the correctional facilities, which offer support through workshops on entrepreneurship, mock interviewing, job readiness, and more. Joining in these services is a great first step in getting back to work and preparing for your impending release. And the last tip, remember to be your own champion. OhioMeansJobs is here for you, but remember, your success also depends on what you do for yourself. Be your own champion. Seek legal assistance to see whether you can have some or all of your criminal records sealed. Learn about fair hiring rules in some Ohio cities and counties that remove the question and bias of the conviction from a job application. Work with your parole officer. They're a great resource. Look into earning certificates through the Ohio Department of Rehabilitation and Corrections that may make you even more valuable in the eyes of an employer. Two examples are the Certificate of Achievement and Employability and a Certificate of Qualification for Employment. And finally, be sure to learn about the Work Opportunity Tax Credit so you can let employers know that they can save up to $2,400 on their federal taxes for hiring you. We hope this information is helpful to you and that you take advantage of these resources. Visit your local Ohio Means Job Center or go online to OhioMeansJobs.com. We're here to help and give you hope.